everybody, welcome back. I finally have my 2020 Topps Heritage Hobby Box. Still waiting for the Mega Box. I don't think that's been released yet, but I pre-ordered it, so it will be here soon enough. But yeah, it took forever to get this. Man, remind me to never ever again mess up and pay with an e-check. Once it finally cleared, they still didn't ship it. I had to send an email and talk to people and try to get it all straightened out. It was just a big old honking mess. But anyways, it's finally here. It's going to be a lot of cards, so I'm not going to talk too much. We're just going to kind of get to it. A real one autograph or a relic in every box. Let's see. 24 packs, 9 cards per pack. 1971 design. That is that. I was trying to think. I wanted to update you guys if I ended up with any variation short prints out of the retail stuff I've already opened, and I don't think I did. I'm trying to remember for sure. Let me think about it some more. I don't think I did. So hopefully something will come out of here. Or maybe there was one. Of course, now I can't remember. So this actually has one original 1971 card. So that could be really good, or, oops, sorry, I got you all crooked. I'll hold on to that. Because like I said, the hit that comes out of this, that's one of the reasons I'm not like a big Heritage fan. It's just, you know, it's basically about the set and the variations. Although I did discover there's a lot more variations than I realized. There's like French back. There's all kinds of different stuff. There's Will Smith. Nice. New Age Performers. Hater. Unfortunately, I already have that. We are starting off with a chrome. Looks like a purple refractor of Nick Senzel. That is sweet. Huh. I thought that was going to be numbered. The base ones are, but wow. That looks good. Well, there's one reason to get a hobby box. Some rookie cards. Wow. To me, that's like one of the best, if not the best thing about Heritage is the chrome. Looks like there's another one here. It is, and it's a one, so what? Look at that. That's sweet. Sorry, my nails are gross. I just cut them. I can't stand having nails. It drives me nuts. But then I cut them too low and it looks really gross, so I'm sorry. Well, we're off to a good start, I do believe. Let's see if we got some odds on these purple chromes. Base, parallels, and variations. White bordered, 1 in 67. Flip stock. High number short. Oh, yeah. That's why I ended up with about 4 of the high number short prints. But those are just 1 in 3. So this says chrome 1 in 50 and chrome refractor 1 in 106. Chrome white border, chrome gold border. I don't see anything about purple. So I don't know, maybe that's just some regular chrome, but it does look like a refractor, so I don't know. It's one of the reasons I love cards. There's always something new to find out. But for now, let's move. Maybe there's hot boxes. Let's see. There is another one. Okay, maybe is there something that's 1 in 1? No. Weird. Alright. Well, sorry, I know it's going to be a long video. Let me just move on here. And this one is Scherzer. Can we keep going? Pack 4. Let's see. Yep. Wow, what is going on here? And it's flat junior even. Okay, either I'm like just got like crazy lucky, or this is supposed to happen and I'm just a big dummy. Comment below, what's your vote? I'm lucky or I'm dumb. Ugh. Actually, I take that back. Some of you call me dumb anyways. I don't want to hear it. It's mean. Yeah, there's another one, so I don't know. And it's Giolito this time. Gurriel. Wow. So I'm trying to see, did I see anything on here that says 1 chrome per pack? No. Well, alright. I can't believe what good players I've already pulled of those as well. Here we go again. Flashbacks, though. First is Yastrzemski and then a Marte Heritage. If I could pull a chrome autograph, that would be sweet. So this one is going to be Arenado, which, if you remember, I pulled the Arenado base chrome out of the retail stuff I've already opened. Now, I know I'm getting some high number SPs here, but for the sake of keeping this video at a reasonable length, I'm not going to pull all those out. I may, if I get like a crazy good short print, add on to the video, or maybe I'll just tell you in the next one. So there's Juan Soto. Boy, just keeps on rolling, doesn't it? Wow. I don't recall hearing of any possible hot boxes, but that doesn't mean anything. I've been busy as heck. So there is Polo Grounds Willie Mays and Mike Yastrzemski. Devers, Flashbacks, Hank Aaron, Cody Bellinger chrome. Very nice. Wow. I love it. I like it a lot. And this time we have Xander. There's Aaron Judge. I like that Aaron Judge card. I should have scanned the 1971 checklist to see who's possible as far as this goes. There's Chris Bryant and J.D. Davis. Nice little Mets action. Rookie, we have, oh nice, the first rookie, and it is Dustin May and Gavin Lux. I love Gavin Lux. Sweet. Actually, you know what? It's not gonna like hurt you guys if I stop really quick and find out what's going on with this chrome. There's Castanera New Age Performers and Mancini. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so here's the deal. This is a hot box, and these are not supposed to be numbered. They just call it hot box refractor, and they can also be in blaster boxes. Well, I think it just said hobby / retail. I assume that means blaster, but it may mean hanger, packs, everything. So this is a hot box, and so every pack is, obviously, we already figured that out. Derp. But I mean, that's it. Yeah, this is actually a hot box. So wowza. It's worth waiting for, wasn't it? So we're going to end up with 24 of those. That is really nice. That's the best box of Heritage I've ever had. Although we got a repeat here with J.D. Davis. Oh, and an Austin Riley autograph, which looks... Why does it look like that? I don't know if it's supposed to. Is that dust? What's happening? Or maybe it's... I don't know. It seems like it should be like a darker black. But anyways, so there's my hit. Which is very nice. Good looking on-card auto. Wow. What a box. Yeah, this is going to be hands down my best ever box of Heritage. No two ways about it. I just took what I consider a little bit of a boring product and made it super exciting. Although I'm not so sure about this autograph. Look at this. Let me hold it close. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like white. I thought I was going to be able to like wipe it off. I don't know. I'm going to have to look at the other autographs, do a comparison, see if any others look like that. I don't know why it would. So I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, can't cry about it. I'm opening a hot box. Josh Bell. Yippee! Who do I need? Who should we be looking for? We got Alonzo. That was sweet. We have Charlie Morton. Oh, I know who we need. Mr. Mike Trout. Aaron Judge would be nice. Who else? Wish they had Mike Piazza. That would be sweet. But that's not possible. This time we have a Flashbacks, Mankind Explores the Red Planet, and Matt Olson. Who else could we get? We could get Glaber, Ohtani. There's so many possibilities. Alright, we have a Then and Now, Fergie Jenkins, and Strasburg, and then a Correa. Not a lot of people happy with the Astros right now. Although I guess if you're an Astros fan, you don't care. Well, you might care. I don't know. Next up, we have sweet Tatis Jr. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, we're going to have 4 more. I'm ready for baseball to start. This makes me, these new releases, Tops and this, there's Soroka, has really got me ready for some baseball. Rookie stars Putt, Brown, and Luzardo. It's a triple rookie card. There's Glaber and Pujols. Very nice. You know, that's another thing. Not only has this been a hot box, these chromes have been almost all like good players. There is Willie Mays, Candlestick Park, and Trey Turner. There's Alvarez and Aquino. That's a good one. A very good one. Alright, last pack, and then we'll open up the original 71 card. You come over here, Austin. There you go. Oh, this one's different. What is this? This is a Verlander. Oh, we got Moustakas and a Verlander. It looks like regular refractor. Yeah, it's numbered to 571, so that's the regular refractor. I only got one of these in the box. But this is supposed to be one in, what was it? 1 in 106 packs, so this was not a guarantee. For shizzy. Alright. So Moustakas, and then a couple more. Alright, let's see our original 71 card. Let me see if I can open this pack without butchering it. That's kind of the problem with single. Alright, it is, oh, not bad. Nettles. Look at that spelling of Greg. Like I said, Greg Nettles, and there's a little 50th anniversary stamp. So, wow, I am taken aback by this box of Heritage. This was some good stuff. Wow, makes me want to buy another one, but I know lightning's not going to strike twice. So I'll probably leave it at this, other than the mega box. So I still got that coming, so watch for that. And yeah, that's it. Everybody have a good night. Love you guys. See you again soon. Bye. Hey, it's me again. I want to make a quick addition. I wanted to show you whether or not the hot box extended into the variations. I don't think it did. I think with a hobby box you're going to probably get about this number. So let's check it out. These are the high number SPs. So I got Bell, Gordon, Duplantier, got Glaber, Chapman, Syndergaard, Hayward, Laureano. Oh, that was my autograph you've already seen. Also this is actually a silver. You can see it says silver right there. Silver variation. So that's all that came with the hobby box as far as SPs go. And I just want to let you know. Thanks again. Bye.